slime. I made it with clear glue, but then it just turned more different. Today in this video, we're going to be doing a what's it called? Like slime testing, seeing if it's good, like better than a different slime. It doesn't really matter. We just decided to do that as a video. But before we watch the video, make sure you hit subscribe down below, press the thumbs up for a like, and put a comment in the comment section. Let's get into this vid.
So if you guys think this sounds like ASMR, it's not. We're just seeing whose slime is better. So here goes my pokes. That's pretty good. Yeah. So this is my slime, and you can tell it's a lot smaller than hers. So yeah. So now I'm gonna do my pokes. Really sick.
So me and Alicia agreed on that my slime went for the poking. Comment down below if you think. Oh, whoops! I didn't show you that yet. If you think so. So now we're going to do like stretchability, just like the string, and then.
Okay, so here is the stretchability of mine. Here's mine. Not that good.
Okay, so now that we did it, we both agreed that her slime won because hers was good. I mean, my slime's really good. Like it's one of the best slimes I've made in a long time. But hers won for the stretchability, and now we're going to do like scissor cutting ability, like.
Yeah, and if it gets stuck to the blade, that just shows that your slime is too
sticky. But if it just comes right off and cuts, spot on. Let's get into it.
Now we have our scissors. They're kind of like our dad's cooking scissors, but it doesn't. Like
our parents.
Or parents. So here we go. Look at the satisfaction that is giving us. A little sticky right there. Now check the scissors and see if there's anything on the blade. It's free! That's really good! Okay, so I'm just gonna kind of chop. I mean, there's nothing on the blade, but did you see the chunkiness of this? Mom, we're on video!
Okay, so we've agreed that we kind of think my slime is better on that one. So who's winning?
We're you, because I have 1 point, you have 2.
Oh, okay. Now we're going to do
a pop ability.
Yeah, pop ability, and then the person that loses has a punishment, and it's a surprise for you guys.
Okay, so here's the pops of this. Okay, so now let's listen to mine. Pretty sick, Slil.
Okay, so
we agreed that hers is better,
and she is the loser.
So the punishment is you have to get
a slime in the face, and which slime do you want in the face?
This one, because it's bigger.
But it's gonna cover your hair.
That's an issue. Here, I'm just gonna put it in my.
Okay, no, just go like this.
Can I put it?
Okay, ready? Here we go. Close your eyes. In 3, 2, 1.
Ow.
That didn't go that well. Okay, so that's the punishment, guys. She got it. Slime in the face.
A slime punch is what we'll
slime
call
punch.
it. Slime
punch. And so we're just gonna show you some cool slime things. It's gonna be like really big windows in slow motion.